In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can get the Overwatch 2 tech beta through Twitch through the Twitch drops. The process is pretty straightforward and simple, so let's just get straight into it. So the first thing that you want to do is open up your Battle.net launcher and log into your account. That's a pretty straightforward process, so I won't be covering that. Then go on to twitch.tv, log into your account, and then go to your profile icon at the top right, and then click on settings. Once you're on the settings page, just go here on the top here where it says connections, and there where it says blizzardbattle.net, you want to go ahead and connect your account. Now you want to make sure that you connect your Blizzard account or battle.net account, the same one that has Overwatch 1 on it, because in order to get the beta of 2, you need to have Overwatch 1. So once you've gone ahead and connected your account, the next thing is you need to do is you need to watch one of these streams that are listed right here. And if I just click on one that's live right now, so I'll leave this list in the description down below, so you can click on any one of these streamers, and then all you need to do is to keep watching the stream for at least 4 hours. Get a notification that pops up saying that you got access to the drop. If you can't find the notification, just go ahead and click on your profile icon, then go to drops, and you should see the drop here. You can click on it, and then it should connect to your Battle.net account. It could take up to 32 minutes to 1 hour to show up there, but it should at the end of the day. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to drop a like onto it and subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.